Number 8, Camporio. Jersey number 08, Orane. Number 10, Espresa. Number 11, Pegasus. Number 12, Aliana. Number 13, Malawi. Number 14, Boyanegre. Number 16, Tahu. Also, number 16, Rubado. Number 17, Mahir. 17, Leones. Jersey number 20, Saddam. Jersey number 21, Cesar. 25, Judy. And jersey number 18, 59, Los Santos. And for your team, Bukuyu. And jersey number 1, number 13, Sarah. Jersey number 1, Robert Erenejo. Wearing jersey number 1, Ricardo Junior Avalos. Wearing jersey number 2, Jordan Patrick Renato. Number 3, Ray Gatao. Number 5, Ryan Manalo. Number 7, Homer Acuna. Number 8, Angelo Pantao. Number 9, Martin Angelo Nicolas. Number 11, Kate Hensley. Number 14, Robert Ingrato. Number 15, Paolo Nagumo. Number 17, John Michael Redaco. Number 19, John Cedric Cristobal. Number 21, Divino Peñaranda. Number 22, Ron Manalo. Number 23, Ricardo Cristobal. Number 23, Benny Nato. Number 28, John Ray Gonzalez. Number 31, John Badeza. Number 38, Benito Legata. And jersey number 69, Kevin Romarate. It's game time.
Alright, this is our San Juan City Police Station Basketball League 2025 sa ating championship game. Ayan, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to our live. I hope you enjoy this game. Sino kaya ang tatanghalin kampiyon sa ating liga? Sa ating kauna-unahang liga dito sa San Juan City Police Station 2025 Basketball Tournament.
Starting five for Sector 6, wearing jersey number 0, Victor License. Number 5, Rehaw.
Sa aking kanan ang Sector 6 versus the Concordia.
Wearing jersey number 1, Ricardo Avalos. Number 2, Jordan Patrick Renato.
Okay, jumble tayo. Abadesa ay number 12. With, first ball, mapupunta sa Sector 6. Rep. Kuya, pero spot ha. Spot lang, spot. Camera. Thank you. Coach Homer. Uy, wala. Rebound, mapapunta sa Concordia. Rebound, number 12. Ayan na, sumalaksak. Pass number 5. Extra pass number 10. Niyoyo sa ere. Basket is good. By jersey number 10. First basket para sa Sector 6 of the PNP of our San Juan City Police. Abadesa, pass to number 1 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 10. Ayan na, number 8 with the ball. Stop and pop, no good. Out of bounds. Go for you, basketball. Uy, what a nice pass. Abadesa with a putback. Oh, sorry. That is Coach Homer Hagunap. And shout out sa Hagunap family. Ayan, nandito, kasama natin. Sila Ma'am Natalie and sa kanyang anak. Number 8. That's a 3-point by jersey number 8. Boy, steal. 2 against 2. Number 5, maghanap ng papapasahan. Number 8, so malaksak. Basket is good by number 8. Official score 7-2. Number 1, 4-3, wala. Offensive rebound by Coach Homer. Naipit doon si Coach. And out of bounds, same ball. Bola ng Concordio, number 1, 4-3, wala. Rebound by number 21. And that's a jump ball na naman. Bola mapupunta sa Concordio basketball. Counter pass to Haguna, 4-3, too strong. Out of bounds. Number 5, may tangan ng bola. Number 5, pass number 8. Uy, out of bounds. Number 5, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Paulo. Abadesa, binababa bola. Abadesa atake, sumalaksak, wala. Rebound, makukuha na Paulo. Abadesa to Coach Homer. Coach Homer with a teardrop. Basket is good by Coach Homer. Hagunap. Official score is 7-4 in favor of the Sector 6. Number 8, pass to number 12. Another steal para sa Concordio, number 2. Binababa bola, number 2. Pass to Coach Homer. Homer tumira, enters a foul. On the free throw area, Coach Homer Hagunap, number 7. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound by Paulo, no good. Another one para kay Paulo. Basket is good by Paulo. Oy, steal by number 1. Pass to number 2. Pass to Paulo. Paulo to Homer. Block from behind. Steal. Mapupunta kay number 8. Number 8, steal para sa Concordio. Number 1. Out of bounds. Red ball. Official time tayo ha. Number 13. Pass to number 5. Number 8. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Sumalaksak, wala. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Time remaining 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Bola dito. Bola dito ng Kokoryu. Pinasok na rin dito si Baltao. Number 9, Coach Schomer. Pass to Baltao. Baltao, umatake. Uy! By Baltao, change favor. Lamang na dito ang Kokoryu basketball. Number 13, naipit. Number 13, pinasa loob. Another steal by number 9. Outlet pass. Uy, steal by number 8. Number 8, atake. Binigay kay number 12. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir. 2 points para sa sector 6. Baltao, may tangan ng bola. Susubok sa 3. Oh! 3-point by Baltao. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Kokoryu basketball. Numbers 8, babawi dito ang mga nakapula. Number 13, using the glass, wala. Rebound, mapupunta sa Kokoryu. Ayun na. Number 1, susubok from elbow 3. Yes, sir, para sa 3 by jersey number 3. Sorry, that's number 1. Timeout. Sector 6. Official score is 14-9 in favor of the Kokoryu basketball. And shout out, andito na si Boss Benny, Boss Benito Legarda, our Kokoryu head. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Sir Benito Legarda of Kokoryu Cosmetic Charity Program. Ayan, present para supportahan din ang team and the league as well. Maraming salamat po. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola ng Sector 6. Number 13, alley-oop sa loob. Reverse layup, no good. Out of bounds. Rep. Baltao, may tangan ng bola. Baltao, pass to number 17. Pinas sa gitna. Baltao, diretso. Uy! Basket para kay Baltao. Laki ng improvement tong batang to. Parang siya yung pinakabata dito sa team. Uy, nakabawi si number 12 para sa sector 6. Number 8, Baltao again. May tangan ng bola. Baltao, pinasa kanan. Back to Baltao. Another steal. Baltao will recover. Baltao, pass to number 22. Number 22. Uy, there's a foul. Who's foul, rep? Time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, wait lang. Oy, number 14, pass to number 17. Oy, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13 with the ball para sa sector 6. Number 16, another steal para sa Kokoryu. Ayan na, tumatakbo. Back to Baltao. Baltao, reverse layup, no good. Offensive rebound para sa putback by number 14. Basket is good. 18-11. 7-point lead para sa Kokoryu. Number 13. Pinas sa loob. And there's a foul.
27 foul. First personal foul by number 27.
Bola dito ng sector 6. Uy, nabintawan. Munti ka na magawan. Number 12 recover. Number 3 from top of the key. No good. Rebound by number 17. Ayan na. Number 22. Number 14. Oopsie, out of bounds. Ayan na. Number 12, backdoor pass. Number 59, nakalusot. Choosing the glass. Basket yan by number 59. 18-13 in favor pa rin sa Kokoryu. Baltao, top of the key for 3. Yes sir. Para sa 3. Para kay Baltao. 21-13. Number 13 to number 16. And that's a 3 seconds violation by number 59. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds sa ating first quarter. Jam shot, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13 na atake. Up and under, and there's a foul. Number 22. On the free throw area, choosing number 13 para sa sector 6. Nasok ba? Para no good. Siya man. Ito. Basket para sa sector 6. 21-14. Baltao with the ball. Pass to number 17. Genato. Backdoor pass to number 28. And out of bounds. Sector 6 ball. Last 50 seconds. Attacks number 13. Steal. Ayan na. Baltao. 23-14 in favor pa rin sa Kokoryu. Brother. Doctor pass. Number 13. No good. Rebound by number 14. Baltao with the ball. Last 15 seconds. Baltao may tangan ng bola. Ubusin ang oras. Number 14, catch and shoot, short, last 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, wala extra pass, wala! At dito na po, nagtatapos sa ating first quarter, official score, 23-14 in favor of the Kokoryu Cosmetic. Ayan na, 23-14 na po. Tayo dadawa na sa ating second quarter. Maya-maya lamang. And shoutout dito. Ang mga idol natin, oh. Hey! Hey, how's that? Ha? Hey! Kasama natin, ang mga idol natin dito sa live at sa venue. Nagpapa-shoutout kanina pa. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyo. Sino man. Happy viewing. Alright, second quarter tayo. Bola ng sector 6. Second quarter, tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang sector 6 dito. Offensive rebound, number 80, basket! 5-0. 23-16. Number 31, behind the back, Offside nga lang. Ayun na. Number 8. Pinasa sa corner. Stop and pop. Using the glass. Wala. Number 12 with the putback. Get the right advantage para sa sector 6. Number 2. Ayun na, Abadesa with a hook shot. Basket by Abadesa. Paulo. 25-18. Number 8. To number 13 from elbow 3 by number 13. Ayan na, baba sa 4 ang lamang. Aguna for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Ayan na, tumatakbo ang sector 6. Nabitawan. Makakuha ulit for the cover. Number 8. Nag-cross. Side step. Napitigan. Matter sa foul by number 7. Coach Homer. Kita yun ating referee. Number 13, pass number 8. Number 8 atake. Behind the back, pass number 13. Fake. Number 18 with a floater and 1. May kasama pang foul. By jersey number 13. Time out. Kokore basketball. Official score 23-25. 2-point lead para sa Kokore basketball. With the time remaining 8 minutes and 13 seconds. Yan natin ang huddle ng ating Kokore. And shoutout kay Shane Guns, GMZK, good luck for you. And shoutout din kay Idol Tech Alfonso, shoutout sa iyo. And kay siyempre kay Lawrence Pingol, shoutout Boss Jepoy, magmahal. Ayan. Alright, back to the ball game. Happy viewing po sa inyo lahat ng nanonood ng ating live coverage dito sa ating San Juan City Police Basketball League 2025. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first game, first season na nag-conduct ang collab ang Kukuryo and PN, our San Juan City PNP. Alright, baba sa isang lamang ng Kukuryo. Number 19, pass to Abadesa, reverse layup, no good. Ayan na, tumatakbo ang sector. Number 13, atake, basket by number 13. Change favor, lamang na po dito ang sector 6. Number 9 to Abadesa. Abadesa with the spin, and there's a foul. That is sport personal foul penalty. Warning, warning. Backdoor pass, pinasa sa corner, tumira sa 3, yes sir! By Manalo. Balik ang kalamangan sa Kukuryo. Number 8, number 13, nabitawan, steal by number 15. Kenato, pinababa bola. Another steal by number 8. Number 8, derecho. By jersey number 8. Tabla tayo sa 28. Ay na, Abadesa. Uy. Coach P. Kagawad, Kags! Shoutout! Kags! Hello! Present sa ating venue, grabe oh. Exciting game para sa championship. Ayan kasama natin si Kagawad Picaro, kung not mistaken. O Barangay Tibagan. Shoutout din po kay Cap Totoy Bga ng Barangay Tibagan. Ayan, nanonood sa ating live.
Number 0 is 1-1 wrong and steady right contact by number 0. Deployed by number 0 was wrong and steady right contact.
Alright, tawag tayo ng captain ball from both team. Huddle ng ating sa mga bumubuo ng ating liga na si Police Captain Aguyo. Bago lahat, shoutout din kay Coach Rep Nods Polo. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, whoop. Nanonood sa ating live. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Time remaining natin, 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Pasensya nyo na, gumugulo ang ating oras. May decision na ating mga referee sa contact na yun Okay, technical, if I'm not mistaken, a bonus shot para sa Kokoryu. Basket by jersey number 1. Another point, another shot para sa free throw area for you. Number 1. No good. Alright, back to the ball game and plus ball possession para sa Kokoryu basketball. 28-29, 1 point lead para sa Kokoryu. Time remaining 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 8 maglalabas, or sorry, number 9 maglalabas ng bola. Mamaya pa, mag-cut natin. Kaya na po malabahan mag-replay. Kenato. Pass number 5, Manalo. Back to Manalo. Manalo 4-3. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ng sector 6. Number 8 with the ball. Pinasa loob. Running shot. Basket. Para sa sector 6. 30-29. Kenato. Oh, steal. Outlet pass, number 8 all the way. Yes, sir. By number 8. 32-29, 3-point lead para sa Sector 6. Number 1, binigay sa corner. Extra pass to number 9. Uy! Basket by number 9. Mabasa isang lamangan ng Sector 6. Number 8 again. Uy! Out of bounds! Sayang! Kinapos ka lang tira doon ni number 8. Last ball possession. Number 12, matangan ng bola. Setting on the screen, tumira sa 3, no good. Rebound para kay Coach Homer. Pass to number 1. Number 1 looking for his teammate. Pass to Coach Homer. Coach Homer to Baltao. Baltao to number 9. Back to Baltao. Pass to Coach Homer. Binigay number 9. Uy. Offensive foul. Oh, sorry. The ball game, Sector Basketball. Number 8 binigay sa corner, back to number 8. Number 8 with the cross. Number 8 setting on the play. Pinasa sa kaliwa. Catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Sorry, that's Manalo. Pass to Baltao. Baltao di diskarte. Pass to number 9. Nicolas. To Baltao. Pass to Hagunap. Coach Homer. Atake with a strong move. No good. Rebound by number 12. Naghanap ng foul doon si Coach. Number 4. Binigay sa corner. Back to number 12. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Di diskarte. Another steal. Ayan na. 2 against 2. Number 12. Oy! Basket count. And 1. Para kay jersey number 12. Foul dito si Baltao. That's first personal foul. Second team foul. Number 12. Basket with a bonus shot. 35-31. Lamang na dito ang Sector 6. Baltao to number 22. Morillo. Baltao. Pinasa sa corner. From elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Oopsie. Sobrang pisikalan lang laban. There's a foul para sa Kokoryu. Sector 6 basketball. Ayan na. Number 21. Pinasa sa corner. 4-3. Using the glass. Basket. By number 29. Uy. Di na patinig. Hakuna with recover. Pass number 1. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Basket is good. By number 14. 38-33. 3.5-point lead para sa Sector 6. Number 29, out of bounds. Oops. Number 12 with the jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Uy. Tulong pass. Nakakuha ni Coach Homer. 3 against 2. Homer. Extra pass. Baltao. Nice pass para kay Coach Homer to Baltao. Time out, Sector 6. Baba sa isang lamang ng Sector 6. Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 second. Tingnan Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Sector 6. Correction. Official score po natin 38-35. According po yan sa ating scoreboard. 4-3, wala. Rebound by Coach Homer. Pass to Baltao. Baltao, 4-3. No good. Rebound, number 29. Pass number 4, but there is a foul. Foul dito si Baltao. Sitting on the line by jersey number 4. First shot is good by jersey number 4. Pitenyo, if I'm not mistaken. Pitenyo. Uy, silent daw kayo. By number 4. Ayan na. Babawi ang mga naka-blue. Coach Homer sa loob. Coach Homer sumalaksak. Uy! Nice shot by Coach Homer. Ayan na ang Sector 6 backdoor pass sa corner. Sumalaksak, floater wala, rebound. Makukuha ng mga naka-blue. Ayan na ang Kokoryu. Number 14. No basket. Wala dito ng Kokoryu. Last 2 minutes sa ating second quarter. Coach Homer to number 14. Ganda naman ang pasa doon mula kay Coach Homer. To number 14. Ayan na, 1-point lead para sa Sector 6. Number 13 na atake. Pass to number 8. Number 8 binigay sa kaliwa. Catch and shoot. No good. And there's a foul. Baltao na third personal foul. 14 foul. Oh, sorry, penalty. Kokoryu basketball under penalty situation in the free throw area. Jersey number 4 para sa Sector 6. First shot, no good. Second shot para jersey number 4. Number 4, wala. Rebound dito ng Kokoryu. Baltao, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Malo. Pass to Coach Homer with a spin. Floater, too strong. Rebound ng mga nakapula. Uy, steal. Nakakuha ng Baltao. Pass number 1. Number 1, working! Yes, para sa 3. Ayan na. Ahabol dito. Another steal. Number 14 to number 1. Libre sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Mapapunta sa mga nakapula. Number 12 with a spin. Ayan na, double team. Number 12. Nabitawan. Naka-recover. Number 8. Number 8. Alley-oop to number 12. With a putback by number 12. Tabla tayo sa 42. Ano ba? 42 pa. Alright, isa lang po pala lamang sa ating score. Time remaining, last 39.9 seconds. 42-41 ang ating dalaan. Lamang ng isa ang Kokoryu. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Kokoryu dito. And shoutout kay Dino Dorques Aberedes. Sabi shoutout kay Neil Lyson. And then, good evening po kay Ma'am Levy, or Sir Levy Ondes. Good evening mga lods to both teams. Just enjoy the game and play the game as well. As you can see mga idol, sobrang ganda at pisikalan ng laban natin. Parehong ayaw magpatalo ng team. Last 35 seconds, Baltao to number 22. Drop pass to Hagunap with a reverse layup by Coach Homer. Hagunap. Ganda naman ng reverse layup doon ni Coach Homer. May pang-highlights na. Ayan na, number 8. Binigay, block from behind by number 14. Ayan, as you can see, dito ang pamilya Hagunap. Enjoy watching the game in live dito sa ating venue. Ayan na, binigay sa corner, number 12, 4-3. So good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to what a reverse. And there's the end of our first half.
End of the second quarter, score 41-44, 3 points leading favor Levy.
Alright, end of the first half. Vicious score is 44-41. Lamang pa rin dito ang Kokoryo Basketball. Alright, from the meantime, magkakat po muna tayo ng ating live at magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Okay. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa San Juan City Police District Basketball League 2025 sa pamumuno ng ating police captain. Ayan, si Sir Paguyo. Ayan. At the rest of our San Juan City Police. And especially din sa Kokoryo Cosmetic Charity Program. Salamat po sa Kokoryo Charity Program. Sa pangunguna po yan ng Legarda family with Sir Boss Ben dito and Idol Bro Bien Legarda. Balik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Magkakapo muna tayo for the hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone.